Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the magic of Moringa, also known as the miracle tree. This amazing plant is packed with nutrients, and I'm excited to share its secrets with you. We'll uncover its incredible health benefits and why you should seriously consider adding it to your daily routine. Moringa is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can seriously upgrade your health. So if you're ready to unlock a healthier, more vibrant you, stick around because things are about to get interesting. What is it about this Moringa plant that makes it so special? Imagine a tree where practically every part, the leaves, seeds, flowers, even the roots, is bursting with beneficial vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Modern science is starting to catch up, confirming many of its traditional uses. Moringa is often called a superfood, and for good reason. We're talking a powerhouse of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can seriously upgrade your health. If you're looking for a natural way to enhance your well-being, Moringa might just be your new best friend. Bananas are a go-to for potassium, right? Well, Moringa takes it to a whole new level with 7 times the potassium. Potassium is crucial for nerve function, muscle contractions, and helps counter sodium, keeping blood pressure in check. Now let's talk protein. Moringa packs twice the protein punch of milk. It's a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids our bodies need but can't produce on their own. We all want strong, healthy bones, right? Moringa blows milk out of the water with 4 times the calcium. This nutrient is essential for building and maintaining strong bones, teeth, and even plays a role in nerve function and muscle contractions. When it comes to immunity, vitamin C is the superstar, and Moringa brings it with 7 times the vitamin C of an orange. This potent antioxidant helps protect your cells from damage, supports collagen production for healthy skin, and boosts your immune system. Spinach is often praised for its iron content, but Moringa puts it to shame with a whopping 25 times the amount. Iron deficiency can lead to fatigue, weakness, and even pale skin, so boosting your iron levels with Moringa is worth considering. Magnesium is involved in over 300 bodily processes, including muscle and nerve function, blood sugar control, and sleep regulation. Moringa has 36 times more magnesium than eggs, making it a natural way to replenish your magnesium levels and experience its calming benefits. Vitamin B3, also known as niacin, is crucial for energy production, helping convert food into fuel. Moringa is loaded with it, 50 times more than peanuts. This essential vitamin also supports healthy cholesterol levels, brain function, and skin health. Vitamin B2, or riboflavin, plays a vital role in energy production. Moringa comes out on top again with 56 times more vitamin B2 than bananas, supporting healthy vision, good skin, and cell growth. Studies show that Moringa may help support healthy blood sugar levels by reducing glucose absorption and improving insulin sensitivity. This is incredible news for those looking to manage their blood sugar naturally. While more research is needed, the initial findings are promising. Inflammation is at the root of many chronic diseases, and Moringa possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have shown that Moringa extract can help reduce inflammation markers, potentially offering relief from joint pain and other inflammatory conditions. Moringa isn't just good for your insides, it can do wonders for your skin too. It's packed with antioxidants that help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants, along with Moringa's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, can help fight acne, promote a youthful complexion, and protect your skin from environmental damage. Discover the ultimate way to boost your health with Moringa Magic. Our premium supplement harnesses the power of Moringa to provide you with all the essential nutrients your body needs. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, Moringa Magic is your go-to solution for a healthier, more vibrant you. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to transform your well-being. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to get your Moringa Magic supplement and start your journey to better health today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out the link in the description for our recommended Moringa Magic supplement. See